Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will be talking about my planted aquarium. After a long time I feel like that my planted aquarium is complete with all the accessories. I will make a video about the accessories required for a complete planted aquarium setup. In this video I will be discussing about the black algae. Now black algae are often seen in many planted aquariums and it is a great disturbance for the planted aquarist. So cleaning off from the plant surface is very difficult. I have found a method by which you can remove the black algae from the already affected plants and restore its beauty back to life using that method. Now in this method you require a citric acid powder. After the do-it-yourself CO2 experiment, I have leftover citric acid powder, so I am using it. Take it in a cup and add some water, equivalent amount of water just to form a solution. So it is a complete not diluted one, a strong solution. And you can take an earbud or sponge like things to clean the surface. Here I am uprooting the plant. You can also lower the water level and then clean the surface manually without uprooting. Here I am uprooting the plants one by one and cleaning the surface. Gently take the uprooting plant and now put the earbud or sponge into the strong citric acid solution. And then gently rub on the surface of the plant leaves, taking care not to damage the plant. You can also use hydrogen peroxide, but it is not recommended because it will be very harsh for the leaf plants, and after cleaning with hydrogen peroxide you will see white patches. So avoid using hydrogen peroxide, instead citric acid solution is best. You can see that the solution is removing the black algae and you can get the original or the beauty back of the plants. Now I am replanting the plant. So you can see that I have cleared all the plants using the citric acid solution and it is looking bright new. And you cannot say that this aquarium is previously conquered by the black algae because I have cleaned all the black algae. So make sure the algae do not reappear in the aquarium. Always feed less to the fishes. Keep the light only for 8 or 10 hours. And use only adequate amount of fertilizers. Then in any algae like black algae or green algae will not appear in the planted aquarium. So here I have cleaned all the surfaces of the plant and adjusted the CO2 cylinder. So if you want a cheap CO2 cylinder, I have made a video previously, you can check it there. So now my planted aquarium is complete and it requires more plants, so I will be ordering more plants like jungle balm or moss, java moss, or even baby tears, more of the baby tears, because baby tears requires high CO2 and high fertilizer level, so I will be ordering the baby tears since I have all the fertilizers and CO2 cylinder. This is my cheap CO2 cylinder that is do-it-yourself CO2 kit that I have about which I have made a video previously. I have 2 neon tetras in my planted aquarium, and 2 died recently due to cold weather condition. So I am checking the temperature also in this planted aquarium, since cold temperature is not good for neon tetras. This is you can see that after using the CO2 do-it-yourself CO2 kit, I found that previously died baby tears are growing up. So more of the baby tears I can use. And if you are also using baby tears, remember that they require high CO2 level and high fertilizers. So make sure you have all the kits, that is CO2 do-it-yourself CO2 cylinder kit and also fertilizers. And after that only you order the baby tears and use it in your planted aquarium. Some also say that the baby tears also require a strong foundation. So make sure you have all the setup complete before ordering high advanced level plants like baby tears. So here you can see my decent CO2 generator. It is very cheap and very efficient. If you are going to buy the original cylinder, then it will cost more than about 20,000 rupees. Here I have spent only 3,000 Indian rupees and I have set up this system. So this is about my planted aquarium. Hope you liked it. Please share this video and give a like to this video, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.